Version 1.11 introduced AskCollate, a conversational AI to manage, understand, and govern all your data. To illustrate, let's say I was asked to analyze how the eco-friendly products are performing. I can share that goal with AskCollate by requesting that I want to assess my eco-friendly products' performance, any relevant data, Tier 1 assets only. Within seconds, AskCollate was able to go through our entire data catalog, every configured data connection, Snowflake, Redshift, etc., and provide an action plan. It is pointing to 3 entities: the products, order items, and customer 360 tables, which all happen to be in Snowflake. If that looks reasonable, let's try some market share analysis. Let's focus on Snowflake. Give me the total market share for the eco versus non-eco-friendly products in terms of total revenue share. A lot is going on behind the scenes here. AskCollate is transforming this natural language query into a SQL query, accounting for the data warehouse where the query will be executed, Snowflake in this case. Once the transformation is done, the query is then executed directly against our data warehouse. Once the query completes, the results are fed back to Collate and presented. We see eco-friendly products account for about 43% of total revenue. Also, we have the SQL query that was created attached here as reference or to copy and save it somewhere else. Now let's try making a visual out of this with the following command. Make a bar plot of market share. And here is a bar chart. These results are dynamic, so we could also change the graph type, color, and more. We'll clear the history and look at some additional capabilities. Our goal is to identify any issues with our customer report dashboard. We want to see what's going on, so our prompt is, can you show the tables used to generate my customer report dashboard? After a few seconds, we have the answer from our agent. We get a dynamic component of our data lineage to our dashboard. This component is fully interactive, movement, resizing, and clicking on a node to get more information. AskCollate provides a summary under the component, listing the tables involved in the result. We have 5 of them, and they all belong to the Collate shop schema. We also see that Customer 360 is the table that is directly responsible for populating the data in the customer report dashboard. Now that we have an understanding of where the data for the dashboard came from, we want to see and understand any anomalies that might be feeding into it. Can you search for these tables and tell me if you see any anomalies? For example, negative values, null values, duplicates, etc., with the data and the statistics. AskCollate will now look for anomalies. We even gave it some examples of what they could be. Now I have a full summary and the details for the profiling of the different tables. I can navigate in the dynamic component to get the summaries for each of the involved tables, all without leaving the AskCollate dialog. I can also click the entity link to go directly to it in Collate, and I can explore further and review more details. Now, back in AskCollate, we scroll to the bottom of the response and we see a full summary of the data and analysis that was performed by the agent. At the bottom, we see a summary of the investigation. The problem is that there are negative values for product pricing, which are likely a data entry error. AskCollate also asks me if I want to create a test case to monitor or catch these anomalies. This gives me the information I need to go fix the problem, but now I also have an opportunity to create a test case to monitor or catch these anomalies, and AskCollate is prompting me to do just that. providing a chance to be proactive. Let's ask Collate to perform that action for us. Can you create the relevant test cases for my products table? Our agent created 16 new test cases for the products table. They were done across 5 dimensions: completeness, uniqueness, accuracy, validity, and integrity. It first checked for any existing test cases, and if so, ensures there are no duplicates. We had none configured, so there are no duplicates. We'll quickly navigate to our product table and verify that our data quality tests were in fact generated. Our data quality tab shows the test cases were generated. We see our unit price range validation check here, which was the core of the anomaly. Come try AskCollate for yourself.